Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another video. So in this video we will learn how to switch the full screen mode in Excel. The full screen mode of Excel will hide the ribbon status bar. So to enable this option, first open the file and now you will notice in the top right corner of the ribbon there is a little drop down arrow. Click on it. Now there are different options. Select only the option full screen mode. Now you will notice after applying this option, the tabs and ribbon have been hidden. To unhide the tabs and ribbon, click on these three dots in the top right corner of the Excel and now click on this arrow again and this time select the option always show ribbon. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.